Welcome to Data World Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about Subquery as a table source. Here I am using free trial Snowflake account and this is my Snowsite web UI. One request to you, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up for this video. It is really helpful to grow the channel. So let's start with creating patient table for demonstration. Control enter to execute this statement. Here I am creating patient table with patient ID, patient name, date of birth and gender. Inserting sample data into patient table. Let's see the patient table. This is the record for patient table. Now let's create medical records table. Inserting sample data into medical records table. Let's understand patient table. Here patient ID 1, latest diagnosis is hypertension. Patient ID 2, latest diagnosis is asthma. Patient ID 3, latest diagnosis is arthritis. So we have a requirement to find the latest diagnosis of each patient. So by this query, here I am selecting patient ID, visit date and diagnosis. We have to find on the basis of latest visit date to find latest diagnosis. So here I am joined with medical record with correlated subquery. Correlated subquery is a query which depends on outer query. So here on the basis of visit date we equate to maximum visit date on the basis of patient ID from outer query and join with inner query. So if I execute this statement, you can see here the only record with have latest diagnosis. Now we have requirement to find the medical condition for each patient. So now we join here patient table with inline view table or derivative table which I created here. Okay. So in this table I am selecting patient ID, patient name, gender and diagnosis from patient table and inner join with inline view table or derivative table. Here this is as a table. Okay, and on the basis of patient ID, here is the patient ID and gives here alias name MR and this table main table gives alias name P. If I execute this statement, you can see here we are able to find here patient ID, patient name, gender and latest diagnosis of each patient. So that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe channel and give thumbs up for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.